Yo, what's up guys? It's another day, another tech, and today I have a 23.8-inch monitor by HP. I got this because it is a budget-friendly monitor and I purchased this for under $200. The HP monitor has two inputs, VGA and HDMI. It comes included with a VGA cable, but I do wish it was an HDMI cable instead. This monitor has a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. It is full HD with a pixel count of 92.55 ppi. I have been using this monitor for about a week, and I gotta say it's a pretty sharp display. I really can't make out any of the pixels unless I'm about 2 to 3 inches away from the screen. It's got a refresh rate of 60 Hz and a response time of 50 milliseconds. It's definitely not a gaming monitor, but it is capable of running some less graphic intense games. Brightness isn't really an issue with this monitor. It does get pretty bright up to 250 nits, and so far I really haven't had any issues with this monitor. This monitor has a nice minimalistic modern design. There are almost no bezels. It kinda looks like the Dell XPS series, but HP calls it the Micro Edge design. The monitor has a couple of different viewing modes. There's a low blue light mode, a night mode, reading mode, multimedia mode, photo mode, and you can even create your custom viewing mode. What else? This has a 178-degree viewing angle, both vertically and horizontally, and it is 21.3 inches wide and 15.8 inches tall. Well, thanks for watching. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, remember to hit that sub button, and I will catch you in the next one.